Affiliate marketing for beginners. A step-by-step guide to earning online affiliate marketing has rapidly become one of the most popular ways for individuals to earn money online, offering flexibility, low startup costs, and the potential for passive income. But what exactly is affiliate marketing, and how can someone with no prior experience begin this journey? If you're a beginner seeking to generate income from the internet without creating your own product or handling customer service, affiliate marketing might be your ideal starting point. This guide will walk you through the essentials, helping you understand the process and build a foundation to succeed. At its core, affiliate marketing is a performance-based system where you earn commissions by promoting other people's or companies' products. You become an affiliate by signing up for an affiliate program offered by a brand or marketplace. Once approved, you're given a unique tracking link that connects any customer's purchase to your referral. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you receive a percentage of the sale. It's as simple as that. What makes affiliate marketing attractive is that you don't need to create or manage inventory, develop a product, or handle returns. Your job is to attract an audience and recommend products that solve their problems or meet their needs. To get started, the first step is choosing a niche. Your niche is the specific market or topic you'll focus on. Successful affiliates tend to pick a niche that aligns with their interests or expertise because it's easier to create content consistently when you care about the subject. Some popular niches include health and wellness, technology, personal finance, digital marketing, lifestyle, and hobbies like gaming or travel. Rather than trying to appeal to everyone, you'll be more effective by targeting a specific group of people who are likely to buy products in that space. This allows you to position yourself as a trusted voice and authority within your chosen niche. Once you've selected a niche, the next step is to find affiliate programs to join. There are two primary ways to do this. You can sign up directly with companies that offer affiliate programs, or you can join affiliate networks that connect you with multiple merchants. Well-known affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, Rakuten, and Impact. If you already have a specific product or company in mind, search their website for affiliate program or partners. Some brands manage their affiliate programs in-house and allow you to apply directly. When choosing programs, pay attention to the commission rates, cookie durations, how long the referral link stays active, and the quality of the product or service. Always aim to promote products that you genuinely believe in and would recommend even without a commission. After joining affiliate programs, the real work begins: promoting your links effectively. This is where content creation comes in. There are several ways to share affiliate links, but the most effective method is through content that provides value. Many affiliates use blogs, YouTube channels, podcasts, or social media platforms to create content that educates, entertains, or solves problems for their audience. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, you could write a blog post about top 5 home workouts for busy people, and include affiliate links to equipment or fitness programs. If you prefer video, you might create a YouTube review of a popular fitness tracker, adding your affiliate link in the description. The key is to create content that attracts the right audience, builds trust, and naturally incorporates your affiliate recommendations. Building an audience is essential. Whether you're blogging, making videos, or posting on Instagram or TikTok, consistency is vital. Your content should focus on helping your audience, not just selling to them. Share tips, insights, reviews, and tutorials. Engage with your followers and listen to their feedback. Over time, you'll establish credibility and a loyal following that looks to you for advice. This trust is what drives affiliate sales. People are more likely to click and purchase through your link if they trust your opinion and feel that you're genuinely trying to help them. Another powerful strategy in affiliate marketing is building an email list. Email marketing allows you to stay in touch with your audience directly and promote affiliate offers more strategically. You can offer a free resource like an ebook, checklist, or mini course in exchange for your visitor's email address. Once they subscribe, you can send regular emails that provide value and occasionally include affiliate links. This approach helps you build a long-term relationship with your audience and gives you a platform you own, unlike social media, which is subject to algorithm changes. Search engine optimization, SEO, is also crucial if you're creating written content like blog posts. SEO involves optimizing your content so it ranks higher in search engine results. This brings in free, targeted traffic over time. Learn the basics of keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building. Tools like Ubersuggest, Ahrefs, or Google Keyword Planner can help you find what your audience is searching for. Ranking on the first page of Google can lead to a steady stream of traffic, which in turn means more clicks on your affiliate links. It's important to track your progress and results. Most affiliate programs and networks provide analytics showing clicks, conversions, and commissions earned. Use these insights to understand what's working and where you can improve. You may find that certain content types, topics, or products perform better than others. By doubling down on what works and refining your strategies, you can gradually increase your earnings. Remember, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, experimentation, and a willingness to learn. As you grow, consider diversifying your income sources by promoting multiple affiliate products or even combining affiliate marketing with other monetization methods like display ads, sponsored content, or selling your own digital products. The more streams of income you have, the more stable and scalable your business becomes. While affiliate marketing can be incredibly rewarding, it's not without challenges. Competition is high, and it can take time to see results. Beginners often make mistakes such as promoting too many products, choosing low-quality offers, or focusing too much on sales rather than providing value. To avoid these pitfalls, start small, focus on a specific niche, build trust, and always prioritize your audience's needs. It also helps to stay updated by following industry blogs, joining online communities, and continuously improving your skills. Affiliate marketing offers a powerful opportunity for anyone willing to put in the effort to learn and grow. You don't need a lot of money to start, just a computer, internet access, and a commitment to creating valuable content. Begin by selecting a niche, finding the right affiliate programs, and building content that serves your audience. Stay consistent, track your progress, and continue learning. Over time, you can build a sustainable online business that generates income while giving you the freedom to work from anywhere. Whether you're looking to earn a little extra money on the side or build a full-time online business, affiliate marketing can be your gateway to financial freedom. Let me know in the comments section below. What do you think of our video? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.